In this video, I'm going to be taking you through how to start affiliate marketing, even if you're a beginner. Now, with this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do that with Amazon Associates, which is an affiliate program that allows you to make commissions through Amazon. Okay, so before we get into that, I wanted to go over a few things of why, you would even want to consider affiliate marketing in the first place. Well, one of the biggest things you might be wondering is, what is affiliate marketing? So I've actually got like a website where I've brought up an image that explains it really well. So over here, you can see that we've got what affiliate marketing essentially is. And out of this kind of circuit here, you're the publisher. Okay, so you have the customer and the merchant. So, the customer buys the product or takes desired action with merchant. So the merchant will be Amazon in this scenario for you. And the customer already makes a purchase through Amazon a majority of the time. But what your job is to be the middleman. So essentially you create content or some type of middleman platform that then drives traffic and converts that traffic into sales with Amazon. Okay, so you might be thinking, how do you do that? So one of the greatest ways you can do that in this current era is through a website. So if you were to have a website, you can actually be the middleman and you can drive traffic from Google that people are searching for and then convert that traffic into sales on Amazon. So you might be thinking, exactly how do you do that? I'm going to be showing you everything. So if you just hold out, we'll get straight into that in just a moment. So why is affiliate marketing a good business model? Well, there's a few points that I've actually got down here. One of the reasons being that it's a true passive income stream if you use it in that way. So there's many different strategies that you can go out and use for affiliate marketing. But one of the best strategies I think you can do as a beginner is definitely focusing on Google and social media traffic. So that's things like Pinterest and, Facebook and whatever else. Now, Facebook isn't as great as it used to be for traffic, but it's still good to have a brand, obviously, wide span on different social media platforms. Now, one of the other things is you're just a middleman. So you don't handle any of the customer service. You don't handle any of the returns or anything like that. You don't even supply or ship the product. All you do is link them to it. So once you've sent your customer over, they're actually then registered in a cookie, which then stores with the affiliate vendor. So say, for example, you send some over through your website from Google, coming onto your site and then over to Amazon. Well, that stores in the computer for 24 hours. So that means even if the person doesn't purchase right away and they come back and go directly to Amazon, not even through you again, and they just buy something and any other things, so it might not even be the thing that you recommended, you still make a commission. Now, Amazon's affiliate program can give you anywhere between 4 to 12% commissions. So there's many different products in different industries that you can promote, and it's up to you how you want to go about promoting them. Okay, now it's a long-term business model because Google is not going anywhere and neither is Amazon. So this is something you can do as a beginner, make some money, and then continue to let that snowball over the years and keep adding content, because once you have a valuable website, you've got an asset that you can actually, use in future to make more money or just sell on. Okay, now it's a low startup cost. So all you need is the money for a domain, which is anywhere between $1 to $10. And then all you would need money for is hosting, which is around $5 per month or £5, roughly about, I don't know, £3 to £5, which would be $5 to $7 per month. Okay, so there's many different ways to do it, like I said, but we're going to go into, one of the most basic ways you can do it today. So this is the essential circuit of how it works, and you should now understand exactly, what affiliate marketing is. So if we come over to here, you can see that this is Namecheap.com. This is where I buy my domains from. Once you actually have a domain, you can go to your dashboard. From there, you select your domain. When you select your domain, there's going to be a button on the right hand side which says manage. Now, registering with this and all of that is very straightforward. Okay, so once you come in here, you'll be able to edit what hosting you use. Now, the hosting that I would recommend is HostGator, because that's what I currently use. From them, you can get a very basic plan. That's a really simple get started plan at I think it's around $5. This is $2.75. I wouldn't recommend that. This is the one that you want to go for. Now, the reason why this is so good is because this is only one single domain. So that means once you make this one website and register it, that will be your plan done, or you would have maxed out your plan. This, however, is a lot better. Now, I've left a link to that in the description box of where you can go and sign up to Bluehost HostGator. Okay, and it's for $3.95, and that's unlimited domains, and you get a free SSL certificate. Now, you don't need to know about SSL certificates or anything like that right now, but yeah, basically you can put as many websites on this as you want for just $4 a month. Yeah, okay. Now, once you've done that, you'll basically get a code sent to your email, which will give you your domain name server. Once you've got those codes, you'll basically come back here. So once you've got your dashboard, like I said in Namecheap, you click manage, and then you come back over down here to name servers, and it will give you the option of a custom DNS. So that's what you would do. And then the two codes that they send you, you'd paste the first one here and the second one here, and they will be identified as name server 1 and 2. So that's exactly how you do it. And then you'd click the tick and that would change. Once you've done that, you'd head over to HostGator, and then you would install WordPress on your website. Now, if you want to learn how to do all of those different things, there are many tutorials online. It's very simple to do. And if you want to see a video on that, I can do that in future for you as well. But it's very simple stuff, okay? Now, once you've got your site up and running, you're going to basically be left with a website that you have to optimize for SEO, which is search engine optimization. And that's basically the essential practice of ranking a website on Google. So you're bringing the website to the top of Google in order to, you know, make money. So what you would need to do is use a keyword research tool. Now, the one that I recommend is this tool, which is called keysearch.co. I'll leave a link to that in the description box. This is a very good tool because it has many different options. You can, you know, track your keywords. So the ones that you're trying to rank for, you can track inside of this. And also, you know, you can do your research and find all the different searches that are happening on different words. So this is actually tracking Google. It's showing me, like, you know, how many people are searching for this specific word in Google. When you start out, you want to be going for long tail keywords. So you want to be going for, you know, keywords that are at least four words or more. Okay, that's the idea. And yeah, basically when you come into the tool, you go to keyword research and click keyword research, and you'll be brought to here. From down here, you can see all the different metrics of exactly, you know, what this authority of each site is. If you see a lot of red and whatever else, then it's probably not a good one to go for. But a good rule of thumb when using this tool is to simply go for keywords that are under 30. If they're under 30, it's usually good for you to go for, and you can rank for it over the course of the coming 6 months to 12 months. Okay, so it's not overnight that you'll make money with this stuff, but it is very straightforward once you get the hang of it. Like, it's very easy to learn. Okay, now when you get your site up and running and you get your first piece of content out, you want to really, you know, start sharing it on social media. So you want to go over to different social media platforms and share your content as much as possible. You also want to go to other websites within your industry, and you want to get them to search. You want to get all the larger sites to actually share your site. And what happens is, when those large sites or other sites within your industry share your site, it will link back to your site, and that's classed as a backlink. So you want to get as many backlinks as possible legitimately from these other websites. And then you also want to go into forums, Facebook groups, and engage with people within your industry. Again, to get more traffic to your site, more backlinks, which in turn will result in more sales. Now, once you've got your website all set up, you also want to register with Amazon Associates. So all you need to do is come over to Google, just here, type in Amazon Associates. Once you've done that, it should be the option just below the first website, just at the second position that says Affiliate Program Amazon. And whether you're in America or England, Australia, wherever, it will be the relevant associated one for your country. Okay, so once you've come over to this, you then have the option to join for free. So you can join here, and you'll just click join. You'll put in your details. And once you've done that, you go through all of the different options of where you can register for Amazon Associates, okay? When you actually attempt to register for Amazon Associates, they're gonna ask you a few questions. One of them are gonna be how you plan on promoting the products. They don't want crap promoting their products. So one of the ways that you can actually get accepted for this affiliate program is make sure that you tell them you'll be promoting it through your blog, and make sure the products that you select you'll be promoting are relevant to the industry that you're going to create the blog about, okay? Now, one of the other things they may ask you is if you have any experience. If they do, then, just note down that you have a little bit of experience, as they don't want complete beginners promoting their products. But it is very easy to get accepted, but you do need to make sure that you've got your website already created before you actually register it on Amazon Associates, because they will be asking for your website. Now, once you've registered with Amazon Associates, there is a required section of your site of where you have to display to your customers that you're part of the Amazon Affiliates program. So you can go onto any other affiliate website and you'll see the actual section on the site of where you just have to notify that you are part of the Amazon Affiliates Associates program, and some of the products on your site are affiliate links where you will receive a commission at no extra cost to the buyer. Okay, so you just need to note that very briefly on the front of your site. And then once you've got your website set up, there's only 3 main pages that you need to have to get started before writing content. Now, those 3 pages are a home page, of course, you would need to have. You need to have an About Me page, a contact page, and optional is a privacy policy or privacy policy. Okay, and all that is to basically essentially tell your readers what data you'll be collecting and how their data will be used. Okay, because there's obviously a lot of controversy around all of the data that's collected on websites. So it's your job to make sure that you actually notify your reader of exactly what data you'll be using from them and how you'll be using it in future. So hopefully that should have given you a real insight to exactly how you start with affiliate marketing, guys. If you want to see more in-depth tutorials on how to actually do this stuff, then make sure you're subscribed to the channel, because I'll be doing more videos on this to teach you how to do this and how to make money with it over the coming weeks. Okay, so like I said, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.